Disassemble the internal parts and install 3 LR41 button batteries, corresponding to the positive and negative poles. Check yourself before measuring. 0 fire wire judgment. The line of fire will flash red and green bright lights. 0 line only flashes green light. The second 0 fire wire identification. Green light on live wire. 0 line does not light up. Line breakpoint search. Along the line detection, the green light stops is the breakpoint. When the electrical appliance is on and off, the green light is on, indicating that the wire is not. Slotted screwdriver. Install electrical appliances at any time.